Unfortunately, 12 to ang painay ang no polling agent ang dahilan man ulo some miscreants ngka awazagawo so which jung to against pura namun to against no ang to against no violent free and fair election not salai mani they any opposite candidate was agano so kana counting utomo ba tawan sino best wishes rekano no.
Thank you, all the best.
Okay, amon no chin koimong let it be free fair election and say no to violence all the time. Pre-polling to post-polling to violence is not going to bring any solution. So you can see us also. Tomorrow, I congratulated him for his candidate also, and all the best to Andara Singh.
Very unfortunately, near 5:50 no notification nangu. Ang cover monte almost 6 PM ngi thangka. Reason actually government reasons reject tunga jagao. However, ani workers of phone facing that or kuno violence dan thakna. Or sada yes inga. However, abo polling payment yagulo sini sahor hai boro. And the ungai mani kita misa abo that has nothing to do with the polling. Anyway, the polling in order to get after the match like no. But Mia Tunga notification the away 13 tarik, 14 tarik, or at least 1 tarik में फुंगों पर दिखाएंगे चाकामु आकोक से छाने मानी. However, TV to काम के polling चली तो वो. My brother is also here, and as he said, congratulations result no, ang mo result mo no. Tabu देखना तंगी थंका. Soon together, April 10 musungo 11 Moharanipur Telamura constituency ni public rosmia enter Tripura hani. Kana election nai, sorry counting nai, applying nai, chain nai. Our part of election. So kaya kaisa violence start highlighting. After all, so Tripura sa Tripura sa masa Tripura sa buzak kan, yang sablo buzak, sini borno buzak. Masa Tripura sa nok mus kogzak kan gay tamnani tin borok din nok mus kogzak bule. So apron tis en tamnani hasal kay tonga nang na abon bagi abon ani koy mong tonay. Sini mo constituency ni simia ente Tripura hani constituency. And ang mo koy ne hisi sini opposition nung tung sung tung non ADC ni boro no tu ya to ni chau because faith deficit ng dak tawo sin boro ni bisingo main problem jeng lai man ka faith deficit ose ang nugza kai te gabang ma gana ginyo boro rungsa klai bosa lai ja seng ka hai tangai to bijas thang ma ya mamang hino so I think faith os build hand in ang lai immediately tongia it will take time but definitely seng mo constituency sin and I'll tell you one thing I believe in more constituency no constituency simi no kaisa ne kya kaisa hamla chale not just against BJP CPM ne against of IPF ne against of Congress ne against of kuna hamya sa sanchini ideology no ti chini issue no ti simi sen kok chale right yes so sumo message dan ni musungo o jaga simi and care Tripura ho no mo hiking na